Hey you guys, it's Chrissy HQ. I'm back with another video, and today we're talking about my absolute favorite piece of my streaming setup. That would be my Elgato Stream Deck. I do so much with this during my streams, sometimes even out of my streams, and if you want to overachieve, you can play some games on it, but I haven't gotten into that yet. I got mine directly from Elgato.com, and I got the 15 button one. I have seen a mini version, and I have seen an XL version with I believe 36 buttons, but don't quote me on that. The Elgato Stream Deck comes in two colors, white and black. I got the black one before the white one came out, and the white one would definitely match my setup better, but I still love this. It also retails right now for $149 on the Elgato website. $149. It's not bad once you take into account all of the things you can do with this. So let me give you a tour of the buttons on my Stream Deck. I have two different panels in my Stream Deck, minus this one that's already there and I'm not really sure what that is. But I have Stream Essentials, which are 3 pages, not full, but 3 pages. And then I have my soundboard, which I have a lot of sounds I use on my stream quite frequently. We'll get into that another time. To start out, I have my scenes. I'm a Twitch streamer and I use Streamlabs OBS. The Stream Deck, obviously, you can connect to Streamlabs and to OBS. So here are my scenes. I have the first one, which is my starting screen. I have the second one, which is my animated stream is starting, bring your attention in screen. I have my just chatting scene, my game scene, be right back, and my end scene. If you also notice, some of my icons are different than others. 1, I got lazy, and 2, as much as I love the cyberpunk vibe, it's not really my aesthetic right now. I think I'm flipping it up. I'm always gonna love cyberpunk, let's just keep that real. But I'm changing my aesthetic a little bit. And you can find lots of different icons and fun things for the Stream Deck in the Stream Deck app, but also made by individual creators on Etsy. So then we've got the end screen. Next up, this is my sharing screen. I didn't even put the words in there, laziness got to me. But that's for when I'm sharing things with my community that are on my desktop. I believe I'm using that scene right now actually to film this. I have my Discord mute button. It's awesome, Stream Deck can connect to Discord. I have the Discord button that I click that shoots a link into my chat while I'm streaming. Very easy. So if someone writes a comment like, do you have a Discord? Or can I join the Discord? Simply click this, it auto posts, and they have the link. Super easy. I then have this one that's for my Gameplay 1. Gameplay 1 is like a whole different scene that I use only for certain games. Then I have the button that connects us to our soundboard. It opens up a totally new page. And then I have the loading page, which is like in between games or in between matches when I just want to talk to everyone in the chat and just see how they're doing, but also watch as the queue goes up or down depending on which game we're playing and how close we're getting to a match. Page 2, I have my ending credits button where at the end of my streams on the ending screen, it runs the credits from my stream. All of my mods, any new people, any follows, any new subscribers or resubs, raids, things like that. Then I have my empty jar. If you've been on my Twitch stream, you'll see like a little wine glass or some type of glass in the corner. For my biddies, that gets filled with fun little confetti, and this is to empty it at the beginning of every stream. I then have my shout out button. We'll get back to this one because I find this one super important. My raid message, I do post this in the chat when I'm about to raid out so that people can just easily copy and paste the raid message. When we get to someone else's stream, they already have it ready to go and we blow up their chat with Chrissy HQ love. Then we have the raid banner. I created a banner on Canva and I just click this button for it to pop up. Now that's for if we get a raid in the middle of streaming. It's something quick that pops up that quickly explains my schedule, what kind of streamer I am, and different things that I do on my stream for people to read through. We have the socials button, which is connected to my stream elements commands, !socials. So I can just click that, the command pops up, which brings up the socials. Same thing with commands, !commands, brings up all of the stream commands, and we've done that quickly. I have a zoom button, so my camera zooms in. Oops. My camera zooms in and my camera zooms out when intense moments are happening or when I want something to really get across. Next, I have a short ad button. I do have a channel point redemption to run an ad. I know sometimes the community wants to support you, but not everyone can afford to sub, gift subs, donate, or bits. So by selecting the short ad, I do run a short ad, and that's their way of showing that they're gonna be there no matter what's happening in order to support me in my goals. I do have my Apex tracker button that pops up a fun little widget that's got my Apex tracker on it. Same thing as my COD tracker, it's got my KD and my Valorant tracker. Each of them pop up their own little additional widget, and it connects to the tracker app, I believe it's Tracker Network, and all that stuff is kind of fun and interactive on the stream as well. On page 3, I have this wheel that I use for subathons. It just basically is a big wheel. It's connected to stream elements, and you can put anything on the wheel. Wheel of Misfortune. Oh my gosh, I definitely just mixed those up. This is the wheel, this is the scene for the wheel. Kind of a fun background, giveaway music, things like that. Obviously the hate raid scene. It is a scene that stops everything in the stream, makes it so me and my mods can go through and clear out anyone that shouldn't be there and clear the chat, and it has a nice apologetic letter on it that's stating, we are currently going through a hate raid, thank you for your patience, this is unfortunate, and for those of you that are hating, you can go. Alright, now if you take a look over here on the right hand side of the Stream Deck app, there's a lot of different things that I've gotten out of the store. Out of the store right here. I haven't really looked back through here because I feel like I have everything that I need at the moment, except for the Stream Deck pedal. That's kind of like my next big thing that I really want. But, oh, and the Stream Deck faceplates. But wait, we're getting sidetracked here. These are all of the apps that make it so you can use these buttons. There's Game Capture. I never use OBS Studios. There's the soundboard to add different audio sound clips. The Stream Deck button in general that comes with some of its own things like a timer, brightness, sleep, to just adjust settings on the Stream Deck. There's Streamlabs desktop, definitely use that. Systems, haven't used that much. Twitter, you can use that to make an automatic tweet or to check different tweets or to change a name. The Control Center, I never use that. Twitch Studios, I use that pretty frequently to mute and unmute. Twitch again, this is so you can add your chat message, clear chat with a button, change it to emote chat with a button. This is how I got the run an ad button, sub chat only. There is a button you can add that shows how many viewers you currently have, and then to create a clip button. Bar Raiders is the stream counter. I did add that at one point, never really used it. Cam control is what I use for the zoom in. Twitch tools, I use this one quite frequently for chat monitoring, banning, definitely have a ban button. Run an ad, I use this one sometimes. This is your shout out button, so you're gonna need Twitch tools, which you will get out of the store, so you can use your shout out button. To mix it up a lot, and I use Pretzel Rocks a lot, and you can connect all of these to your Stream Deck. Like in my soundboard, I have on the last page, this is all Pretzel Rocks. This is to pause Pretzel Rocks, select a certain playlist in Pretzel Rocks to mute it and move on to the next song. Also, if you like adding fun sound effects to your mic and your audio, whether you're recording or death cams in COD or just having a conversation over Discord, I highly recommend you get Voice Mod. There are lots of buttons you can use for Voice Mod on the Stream Deck, and if you get Voice Mod Premium Edition, you can use the ChrissyHQ promo code. Get a little percentage off. Mommy loves you. Thank you guys for watching. Again, this is the Elgato Stream Deck, my favorite piece in my entire gaming setup. And if you guys have any questions about any more of the buttons on my Stream Deck, or if you want specific tutorials for certain buttons, let me know. Maybe I'll make a video about it and I'll post it here as well. Thanks again. Bye guys.